Okay, well, first off, you might be wondering why I'm sitting here at the garden with a full load of manure. Well, it broke again. Dry pin broke on the moving floor. Broke again. Like, this is the third time it's broke. Anyway, but that's not all the problem. My GoPro here. I had it on here. I was doing a recording. I was recording with it, and I shut off the video, I'm pretty sure, and picked it up, and it hit this door, this window. Not hard, but it hit it, and now it's just froze. As you can probably tell. Hold on, let me get this stupid thing to focus. As you can probably tell, it's stuck at 5 seconds. And I can't get it unfroze. Try turning it off. Nothing works. I mean, nothing. So I don't know what happened. But I might try. I know what I might try. Please tell me that it's still recording. Yes, it is. Okay. I learned this trick. This might work. Take the battery out. Okay. I will let that sit there. Alright, let's see what that does. Okay, it works. I don't know what happened there, so... Oh, well, it works. Alright, put that back in there. Okay, to this drive pin. There we go. Oh! So, yeah, I got into the field, and I started spreading. He got spreaded a little. He spread a little, and then here's your culprit right here. This dumb drive pin. This isn't the first time it's broke off. In fact, I bet you anything right there is where it's supposed to be. Yep, I see like a little bolt or something in there. So my uncle went to go get the 6310 and loader, and we're gonna unload it a little bit and fix it and hopefully go back to spreading. We are thinking about maybe possibly after this spring looking at trading this thing. It is 17 years old. It is 2 years older than me. No, it's not. Well, in years wise, but we bought this thing brand new in 1997. Before I came around, and it's worked good since. I mean, for 17 years it's working, but this year we're just having a lot of trouble with it. My uncle is thinking about getting a double-wheeled axle one and one with a slot gate on it, because we're tired of losing our manure on the road and whatnot. So yeah, we probably might look at getting a new spreader. I don't know. New idea, I don't know. Coon, we don't know yet. But that might be in the future. Not sure yet. So that's that for right now. I was just going to make a full video length with a bunch of GoPro video, the 4055, but I might still do that and upload this separate. I think I might do that. But I don't know if y'all know or not, but this field right there that is brown, about 12, 13 acres there, it is all planted in corn. I don't know what the variety was. It was that VP Max distributed by Ag Venture corn that he put in it, that he planted. So yeah, we'll see what else happens here. So Catch y'all in a little bit.